now that we've looked at now deriving functions from first principles, let's look at now the shortcuts or techniques for finding the derivatives of a particular function. So in no particular order, let's imagine they gave us a function y is equal to ax to the power of n. How we'd find the derivative, or y prime, is that we would multiply the coefficient by the exponent, so we'd have a times n x, and then we minus 1 from the exponent to the power of n minus 1. It seems a bit funny, but let me show you an example. So if I was given 3x squared, I multiply the 3 by the 2, so if this is y, my y prime would be 3 times 2 is 6, keep the x, minus 1 from the exponent to the power of 1. And it's that simple. And the whole process of first principles gives you this answer. Now the good thing is, because you know how to do this, whenever you get a first principles question, always check your answer by doing this. Okay? Let's look at a few more rules about differentiation. So then, what we can see is, as well, the derivative of a sum is equal to the sum of the derivatives. Let me show you what I mean by that. So if I said, find dy by dx of 2x plus 4x squared, that now would be the same as finding my dy by dx of 2x plus my dy by dx of 4x squared. So if I'm asking you to find the derivative of more than one term, what you can do is you can derive each of the terms separately and then just add the answers. It's that simple. Okay? And now another one, if I ask you to find the derivative, so my dy by dx of a constant term, so like 3, 5, any random number that doesn't have a variable that you're sort of deriving with, the answer is always 0. Okay. And these are sort of the basic things you need to know about now deriving functions, and keep in mind that this is the main one that you're going to use every single time, and then you apply these other ones as well when you do it. Let's look at a little example. So if they say find y prime if y is equal to 4x to the power of 3 plus 2x squared plus 7, then our y prime would simply become, so now we've got the derivative of a sum. We can now then derive each of these terms separately and then put them all together. So with this one, 3 times 4 would give us 12, the x stays where it is, and we minus 1 from the exponent, squared plus this one. 2 times 2 is 4, the x stays where it is, and then the 2 goes away to a 1, and that's fine. The derivative of a constant is simply 0, we can leave that out, and then there we have our derivative. And it's that simple. So go try some more examples, do some of the multiple choice questions, and then see how you do with the rest of the section.